We're departing north. We're departing north as we depart Newark Penn Station. Our next stop will be New York Penn Station, where we will get off. Once we'll get off the train will continue its journey north as it heads towards Boston. However, our train was running 1 hour late as the train arrived in Philadelphia. Now this train might be around 2 or 3 hours late, don't know. But still, please enjoy the ride as we leave Newark Penn Station as we're bound. Our next stop will be New York Penn Station.
Very different from New York, certainly. Much smaller. It's got a population like DC's population, so it's much more. But I feel like Boston is, there's a much smaller city center than DC. DC's not spread out, whereas Boston, you have the much larger high-rises and everything in a very much smaller area. But in terms of culture and stuff,
it was way car.
Fun accents.
That's it.
I love it.
Also, bad news. Unfortunately, our battery camera is not starting to slowly die. Unfortunately, since we don't have a charger on me, which I'm sorry, this camera might go out soon. So, please, if the video camera does shut down, thanks for watching this series at a day in Philadelphia, 30th Street Station on National Train Day.
Very social, very gregarious people, but I feel like that's the most superficial thing. That's exactly superficial. But I feel like when you're that over the top about money and all this other stuff, it's like, come on, you don't even know me. All right, enough. Yeah. I see. Yeah. No, I didn't go down that far. DC was pretty much the furthest south I went. No one telling. No, Philadelphia is not. No, I know. I didn't even go to the flight in.
Yep, there's kind of threes. Count for a cap car. Dust storm. Probably a dust storm, not sure. Ooh, an airplane. passing Secaucus Station. We're near New York Penn Station. And also note the Empire State Building off in the distance. That's the train nearest the Hudson River tunnels as we enter New York City.
It's high. I mean, it's just what? And modern. It's modern. Well, I mean, pizza. What do you want me to tell you? Alright, fine, don't worry, it's Diet Pizza. There you go. On pizza. On State Street. The problem is that on a Saturday night or on a Sunday night, yeah, you have to wait for a while, usually. Oh, please. Sally and Pepe's reputation is way too overblown. It's way inflated. Absolutely. I mean, the pizza's alright, but it's not like modern. No. On Worcester Street. In New Haven's quote unquote literally it's one block. Worcester Street, that's it.
Now our train will be entering the Hudson River tunnels as we get ready, as we leave New Jersey and enter New York City.
Come on, Junior.
Alright, hold on. Hold on, then.
Come on, I want to see if we can get to 611.
Right. We're now entering New York. We just crossed underneath the Hudson River, and we're now approaching New York Penn Station. This will be the end of our video, as we passed underneath. As we're exiting broad daylight, this will be the end of the video, due to our battery is going low. So thanks for watching for this series, plus more videos coming soon. Thanks for watching.